Hello guys, hopefully you are fine and healthy. Today I will tell you about the 1970 for USA dollar coin. Hidden millions in your pocket. Introduction. Hello, coin enthusiasts. Welcome to another exciting journey through the world of numismatics. Today, we're turning our attention to a potential treasure hiding in plain sight. The 1970 for USA dollar coin. Could this unassuming coin be worth millions? Join us as we unravel the mysteries and explore the value within your own pockets. Historical context. Let's begin by stepping back in time to 1974, a year filled with cultural and historical significance. The 1970 for USA dollar coin is more than just currency, it's a piece of history. Understanding its context can enhance the thrill of discovering one in your collection. Minting details. Now, let's dive into the details that make this dollar coin unique: mint marks, variations, and potential errors during production. These are the elements that could turn an ordinary coin into a collector's dream. Keep a keen eye out for these characteristics. Potential value in circulation. Could your everyday transactions be hiding a small fortune? While not every $1,970 coin is worth millions, certain factors can significantly impact its value. We'll explore the conditions that elevate these coins from common currency to numismatic treasures. Key features for those eager to embark on a treasure hunt. We'll share key features to look for in a 1970 for USA dollar coin, from minting variations to coin condition. Understanding these factors can greatly influence the coin's market value. It's time to turn your loose change into potential wealth. Notable sales and auctions. Real-life stories often inspire our coin collecting journeys. We'll delve into notable sales and auctions where $1,970 coins fetched impressive prices. These instances prove that hidden gems might be closer than you think. Conclusion. In conclusion, the 1970 for USA dollar coin holds the potential for exciting discoveries. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, this video aims to shed light on the hidden value within your currency. Keep searching, keep collecting, and who knows what numismatic treasures you might find in your own wallet. If you enjoyed this exploration of the 1970 for USA dollar coin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more intriguing coin content. Happy collecting, and may your pockets be filled with numismatic wonders.
To watch more, subscribe.